Now, there are no privileges set. So if I want to give this manager additional powers to manage attendance for the people who don't even report to him or her, we can control. For example, right now he can only control the attendance of two fellas, right, who are reporting to him. That is here, these two fellas. So if I will say, give this person full authority as good as admin level of all the organizations, then there will be no hierarchical restriction. That means even the admin's attendance can be controlled by this manager. This person will have ability to mend any admins, that means his superiors attendance. If you want to restrict it to the same level, that means not the admin but the managers and the staff across the board throughout the organization, then you apply this setting. If you say reporting to this profile only, that is specific. Again, it's same as good as you don't give this person any permissions, right? Because he already can manage the reporting staff. Then employee belonging to a particular entity. We have like 4 or 5 different entities over here, and he is in charge of, let's say, Tampines, Singapore entity. This is not an outlet. Outlet is the next one. So this person will be kind of like admin right holder of Tampines for attendance only. All the employees who are hired under Tampines Tampines entity that I have over here. Let me choose a better name instead of Tampines. Let's say Malaysian Company Private Limited. So this person will be able to manage anybody's attendance, regardless their ranks and their access rights. This person will be able to manage everybody's attendance for this particular entity. If I say particular outlet, I can choose one particular outlet which will be controlled by this manager for attendance alone. Okay, attendance does include the compensations, just so you guys know. If you want to bring it down to department level, you can give full access of attendance for all the people who are in the admin department. Then this person can do that. If you want to go by ranks, you have those ranks over here. If you want to implement on a specific group of people from here and there, like you want to create your own pool, then you can select this option and you will see all the employees, and you can make your own pool where this person will be able to manage the attendance of these three fellas, even those people are not reporting to him. Okay, so this is how the attendance work. The same privileges are given for the leave management. The same privileges can be given for roster management. The same privileges can be given even the payroll management. Normally, a manager cannot run a payroll. Remember, yesterday we saw he can only see his own payroll, but cannot do anything, right? He doesn't have any payroll page, correct? So if I will give this privileges, same rules here for all these options. If let's say I will give this person one name to be able to generate the payroll of, and if I will refresh this now, okay, it's am I on the same payroll? Okay. Okay, there you go. The visibility is there. Okay, so if I will go to Elvis Presley's profile now, because this payslip is controlled. Yes, it hasn't kicked in yet. So let's move on, and I'll show you the example later. So right now, if this manager has a name in the claim approving people, then only he can process it. If you have these privileges enabled, even they don't tag him in the claim application or claim form, he will be able to process their claims. Same thing is for the loans. Okay, loans I will go through when we are talking about the payroll. Claims we covered yesterday, I believe. Yeah, it was just how they apply the claims. Correct? Did I cover this? Can anybody remind me? I think I covered this. Okay. So even the employee profile, you can give the rights so that this manager can update the information of those employees that you will allow. And this button will allow this manager. Let's see. Right now, you don't see add employee button over here, right? So if I will check this box and I'm going to make to a minimum, let's say here, and I save it. Now he can manage the profile information of Elvis Presley, but can create any new person's profile. As soon as this person will create, it will be gone because that person does not fall in this pool, right? But if this person belongs to a particular department and you have given this person a right of sales department, then after creating the profile still will be visible to this manager that we are controlling the privileges of, because he has overall control of the profiles of sales group, right? That's the department. So we go with this example over here so I can show you both the, okay, no changes occurred. Okay. I'm just going to do this and this. Okay. Now let's reload this page and you see straight away this button. Okay. Now there are two profiles over here. This person I should be able to amend the information of, and this I should not, because this was not in the pool. So let's go with this first. Right? Straight away you can see I can amend it. Right? Now let's try the other one. Trust me, I'm clicking and I can't do anything over here because this profile is not in my scope. It's not under my wing. Now, another thing that you can see over here, I can see all the tabs over here, even though for the other one are restricted, because I have a full control over all the tabs that I want to control, right? That rather this manager wants to control. Now, similarly, if I will create a profile over here, I will be able to create a complete profile, but not of the admins. The only thing is I cannot generate a profile of an admin because this person is above my pay grade probably, right? So I can do everything. As soon as I will save this profile, I will leave this. In one session I have to fill up this tab, the next tab, the next tab, and the next tab. As soon as I will, of course, I will be clicking save on each tab. As soon as I will go out of this profile, it will be vanished because this does not come under my wing. It does not report to me unless this person reports to me. Then I have visibility of my reporting stuff, right? So let's say I want to create a profile of this hiring entity, of this outlet, and this designation status is probationary, labor type permanent, report to. I'm not going to put the reporting to myself. Yeah, I think it because I haven't given the what's it called. This manager is at Serangoon, I believe. That's why it is not showing my name over here. Let's try Serangoon. I'm not sure if it's Serangoon or Serangoon Garden. Anyways, let's keep going. Okay. And this is not valid. Okay. And then as soon as I will create this profile and I go out of it, it is actually created, but I will not be able to see. If I will go to the admin view and I refresh this page, the new profile has listed here.